Kani rega Durashan Meghalaya bani priang sopai pi baro syakatuk bom tak janmit. Syaban paj ki kubor tu babnya gini pecoi kimat pekongsan. Jam ke Jela Meghalaya syaka limpi ban kintiu ya kesap kepong bat li kilat ai kam ai jam na ke bentak ki samla limbah kespak. Pinkre ke India ya ki bor pahara bakerpang daka babu ya ki elite cyber commando haman lagi jaka an penklain ke Meghalaya ki lat ya da haka baya day bat ke digital wat haka deng ke jing sya berniam anyo pediang ke Jela Meghalaya ya ke jing hap slap ke bajur bha mentau senam But slay kashnong pair hap khang kherdep ki school but bu jing e yakinong shong shnong. Ki kubor ki babnya. Da ka jingdon jong kumba saw pangdai na ka shispa ki nong shong shnong ha ka jilla ki bahap hapo ar phosnam karta ka Jela Meghalaya ka kalalong ka wei na ka jilla ka bano sinyang ya ka jingdon jong ki nong shong shnong ki badang samla hakari kini ki samla ki long ka jing e bat ha ka ju kapor kalat ka kabu ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot jong kari bat ya ka imlang ka salang da ka pensyong nongrim halor ka ni ka benta ka sarkar Meghalaya kalawan ra ya ki babuun ki scheme na ka benta ki samla bat halor kumno ban ai jing hikai ha ki school kawai na kini ki scheme ka day ka spark bat ka thong jong ka spark kalong ban kentiu ya ka sap ka phong jong ki samla bat ban plelat ya ki ban yo kam yo jam tu ngin ya khmik bnya halor ka ni ka khubor
Spark kedai ke program kebala pelaj pajba ha usnam arajar arpusaw ha kebala pinwandur na kebenta ban kintiu ke sap kapong jong ki khinna samla ki badang khi kat kum kani ke juk bamenta shi snem hadem blawan ra ya kani ke scheme da ki spa ngot ki samla puli kilaya lumlang ha usoso tham auditorium menta kesni banyashim menta ha ke jingalang jong ke spark submit arajar arpusan Hakani ka jing lang jong ka spark sa minmenta ka sngi lawanya shimbenta lang da umentri rang ba ka jelaw konrad ki sangma bot umentri ka tnat ka puli puthi urakam e sangma na lord ki we pa ki he officer Haga jingkren ka jong konrad sangma ulo ong ka Jela Meghalaya ka long ka we na ki katu kat ni teli ki jela ki badon ya ka thong ban kinti ki samla ki badang ki baladangi kwa maka Jela Meghalaya kan long ka we ni ki jela ka bapawa kari ni don kam menteri shitom badan paik ma chaman la ki benta wat langi haban ma ya bun ki jing e ki jing tenjo
and we hope that we'll be able to now take the spark program and even broaden the entire thought process of how we'll be able to go for exchange programs, we'll be able to connect the Spark program with our entrepreneurship program, with the MGMP program, with the Prime program, and so on and so forth. So we need to work on this. But we remember that it will have to be a teamwork. There will always be challenges. Let us work together and take our state forward. We need to have the commitment. We need to have the passion.
Umentri ketnat kepuli keputi rakam sangma ulo ong baka jing penlut ha ketnat kepuli keputi kam day tang bentei ki yin building Henry don kamru banwan rai ki scheme ai jing kai ki baper ki banya rabi samla ban kiyo ha ki sap ki pong bat bentei ke imlang kasalang kumju secretary kani ketnat uswap nil tembe ula kren syapang ka jing thumu jong ka spark
This government building new infrastructure, establishing new colleges, institutions, and many schools has been built newly and has been renovated.
And we have already covered all the districts and nearly 5,000 plus students we have covered. Of course, it's around 25 schools only, but this is just the second year. So we will continue the expansion under Samagra.
Hakani program la yo iru ki jing pen insap jong ki samla puli bai ka jing kren badon jing mut ki jong ki samla puli ringkat ki no hikai.
The Spark program has taught me that in life, success is not the only thing that we should achieve. But in life, we should become good human beings. That is all life about.
It taught us a lot about life, about our demeanor, our body language, our facial expressions, and it taught us how to speak to other people.
From start, I received some special courage, not loud courage, but quiet courage.
And I'm so happy that this program has been introduced and given to schools, especially in the rural areas, where we need to bring out the confidence and help the students come out of the shyness that they have. Like they are just not confident enough to just say anything.
Hagan ni kasni menteri rang ba kejala ula samru iki tablet ki samla puli ki bawan chakmal bat kumjuru iki school ki bawan yeshim benta hagan ni spark program. Yagan ni program la penyai de ka avenues lingba ka jingkershan jong samagra siksha hapok tnat ka puli puthi. Bureau Report DT News Meghalaya.
Ha ka jing pen kre ban pen klan shu ya kilat yada na ki jingma ki bala ban mi amtang na kathma kari India lingba katanat ki kamkor bari kala pelat pajba ya ka cyber commando program ka banding kong ha kari hapo ka Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center na ka bentang barok ki jela. Hak jela Meghalaya la sedang ya ka program da ka ba penrung kam ya ki bor pahara ki bala yo ya ka jinghikai ka bapaka. Uwei na usap inspektor ubala rung ha ka thup udei ubala pendep ya ka jinghikai kerpang ka ban riu benai ha ka baya dei bat ka benta. Kat ba arngut ki wei pat ki he officer kata UDIG na katnat CID bat USP ka cybercrime kidang don hapadeng ka jing hikai pentebit ha National Police Academy ka baya dei bat ka cybercrime bat information security.
Commando is an initiative of I4C which aims to create a skilled manpower in cybersecurity domain. So these cyber commandos, there are two levels. One is for the gazetted officers, one for the non-gazetted officers. For the non-gazetted officers, the training is of 6 months in-house in various institutions such as NFSU, IITs, IASCs. For the gazetted officers, the training is conducted at National Police Academy, where the gazetted officers are trained in information security and cyber security.
Kajila Meghalaya kan sayo mat ya kajing hap slap ka bajur bha manta usnem hakeleng ki jaka ha kajila lasaki ya kajing hap slap jong slap u bajur nadu kini ki kendiat sngi ki bladep bat lakmi lenti bakan senang jur ha kini ki sngi ki banwan utang jala lovam ubede uhe ka IMD hasilong ulaong bakat kum ka jingpau ha ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng ka jela Kerala kan samat ya ka jing hap slap ka bajur bha ha kini ki sau san sngi ki banwan bat uni uslap un sapoiru ha ki jela jong ki bentang basyatai lamingi ula benrap ru da ka baong ba ka IMD kala yatre shitom bat ka state disaster management authority khanang ba anyo ban ai jingtep ha kapor ka babriang syaka sarkar khanang ban la banyada nagi jingma ban penduna ya ka jingjulor.
This year we have April and May good rainfall, and now IMD first long range forecast is giving us some idea that Meghalaya will have above normal monsoon rainfall this year, along with all India above normal rainfall. So this will be updated in the last week of May again by our DGM at IMD HQ.
Kajingjur bat kajing yai beteng jong kajing hap slap nadu hinin kamit kala penlong ya ki bubun ki jaka ha ka thain ri bhoi ban shlei kawei na ki jaka ba shlei kalong ha ka shnong per ka badon ha ka thain bernihat kajing shlei kala poi wat chadu ki yeng sa briu bat chaki school bat penlong ru ya ki surok ban shlei ka balabu jing wat ya ki nong lei nong wan la saki ba ka school St Jude Higher Secondary School bernihat kala hap ban ai shuti ya ki khna na kajing shlei bat ka balakiu amtang ha ka phalau school henry wat chadu ki kamra class ha usnam bala dep UMLA ka jirang uba sustenance sotun ula ai jingerap na ka benta banshna bat pen bha ya kinala shnong henry wat hapdeng bala yo ya kanika scheme ka shnong sa shisen kadang mat biang ya ka jingshlei Kajing bamdon ya ki kot kisla kat kum ka an kalayalam sya kajing kem ya ki sangut ki riu shimat na Bangladesh bat kini kilong ki bakentup ya ukpa ka kemi bat laingut ki kun kila sya kem da ki pulit jong ka ribhoy hadin balalap ya ki kelam kinu ki kot kisla ki ba la ailat ya ki bandrung sya India kani kajing sya kem kalaja hadin balabat ya kawai ka kali turis habani hat ha kapor kumbah nyo bije menstep ha kani kajing tokit lalap ba kita ki sangut kinong Bangladesh kim dan satya ki kot kisla ki belongkat kum ka an bat ki bor penyat kila penpau ba kita ki riu shimat kila wan rung be an sya India ha usnam baladem kila sya kem ha kapor ba kidang persang ban wan pai sya Bangladesh lingba ka linti ka bayai lingba kanong ba shalong Kamaurong RMSA Higher Secondary School hinne kasni kala rakhe ya ka jingya linti jongka da ka jingple ya ka ying school kabla depshna thamai ha ka ni kasni lawan banidon benta da UMLA jongka mauhati uba Charles Marngar ha ka jingya senran lang da Deputy Commissioner jongka ribhoy u Abhilash Baranwal ya umau nongrim na ka benta ka ni ka ying school thamai la dep banbu ha ka khat khandai tarik u risau ahja arpwe bat ka ni ka school kabla seng hapo ka samagra shiksha abhiyan laseng na kabenta ban ai ka jinghikai ka bapaka ha ki jaka nongkendong bat ki jaka baduna ka jing shakri
We are all here of different values, different background, from the different families, from the different skins, color, different opportunities, different resources, different challenges. But my dear friends, we all have a difference outside.
Ka Sports and Cultural Club Knockout Football Tournament kalakut no ahne kasngi Hamadan da ka jingile kai final ka ba shongshit hapadeng ka Jowai FC bat ka local taxi nongpo ha ka ni ka jingile kai ka Jowai FC kala yo ra ya ka nam job da ka ba thep lai la iwe persha ya ka local taxi nongpo ka kunhun Jowai FC kala peni ya ka jing tibet ka ba kerpang bat ka jing ya trailang ban yo ya ka jing job ka local taxi nongpo kala ya kun ting Henry kamshim lala satya ban penlim ya ka bor ya le kai jong ka Jowai FC Ka Department of Sports and Youth Affairs haringkat ka jingya snok tilang bat ka Meghalaya Athletics Association kala penlong ya ka state level inter-school athletic meet arjar arpusan menta ka sngi haplau jong ka sai special training center nehu hamaulai maukenro u joint secretary jong ka tanat sports and youth affairs u Richard Yanthan ulalong kum ukongsan ha ka ni ka sngi kanika lempung ka balai sngi lenter kala wanra ya ka jingi shimbenta jong ki khna ya le kai ki betbet na kaleng ka jilla ka jing kentiu ya ka sap ka phong ka jingi trailang bat ka mensiam ya le kai ka baklan la khmi lenti ba kanika lempung kan sakut no ha ka arpo arterik ujemang da ka jing sam khusnam ban ithu ya ki nong ya le kai ki betbet bat ka jingi shimbenta jong ki school mentangin ya pet ya ka jing long jingman ka sun benang hatura kajing kriat kalong 8 degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 9 degree Celsius kajing ngam ka haw kalong drup kandai na ka shispa kajing hap slap kalong sapulai 0.1 mm haba pai pat hanong ba shalong kajing kriat kalong khan riu 0.8 degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 0.1 degree Celsius kajing ngam ka haw kalong hnyo punyo na ka shispa ba kajing hap slap kalong 9 mm kadba ha jowai pat kajing kriat kalong khan degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing ngam ka haw kalong kandai po na kaspa bat kajing hap slap kalong 8.1 kandai millimeter kala bandon kajing hap slap hatura jowai bat hashlong shaban poi sha ka bakut jong kathup khobang ne pet byang sahisin yakimat kongsan jam ka jala Meghalaya sha ka lenti ban kintiu ya ka sap ka phong bat ple ya kilat ai kam ai jam na ka benta ki samla lingba ka spa Penkre ke India yaki bor pahara bakerpang da ke babu yaki elite cyber commando haman laki jelan an penplan ke Meghalaya yaki lat yada hakabaya day bat ke digital what happening ke jingsha berniam. An yok pediang ke jelan Meghalaya yak ke jing hap slap ke bejur bha mentau senam. But shlei kashnong per hap khang kherdap di school but bu jing yakinong shong shnong. Te parlo katung ilap poi syaka bakut jang kathup kupa jingi mata ke janmir hadu mete syam yang bat pila syai kesni kuplei pi paro.
And in sports, in IPL cricket, Chennai Super Kings to take on Rajasthan Royals at Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi in a short while from now. In national news first, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today asserted that